Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Shopify store with Oberlo step by step clearly. To create a Shopify store with Oberlo, begin by navigating to the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill in your email address, password, and store name. Once you have completed this, click on Create Your Store. You will be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Next, select your store's theme by clicking on Online Store in the left sidebar. Choose Themes and then click on Visit Theme Store. Browse the available themes and select one that suits your business. After selecting a theme, click on Add Theme to install it. Now, return to your dashboard and click on Apps in the sidebar. In the search bar, type Oberlo and hit Enter. Click on the Oberlo app from the search results. Then, click on Add App to install Oberlo to your shop. Once installed, click on Get Started to connect your Oberlo account. You will be prompted to log into your Oberlo account, or create a new one if you don't have one. After logging in, you will be directed back to your Shopify dashboard. Now it's time to start adding products. In the Oberlo dashboard, click on Product, then find Products. Use the search bar to find products that fit your store's theme. Browse through the results and select products by clicking on Add to Import List. Once you have selected the products you want, click. From here, you can edit product details like title, description, and pricing. Make sure to set your profit margin for each product before moving forward. After finalizing your product details, click on Push to Shop to add them to your store. Now, navigate back to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Online Store, then Pages to create essential pages like privacy policy and terms of service. You can access templates for these pages from the Shopify admin. Once you've set up your pages, go to Settings in the sidebar. In the Settings menu, select Payments to choose how you will accept payments. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred payment gateway. Next, click on Shipping to configure your shipping options. Choose your shipping rates and zones according to your business model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.